How to replace the backlight cable. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh and display panel. Removal. Important. This video shows the backlight cable removal for the 24-inch platform. While the removal procedure will be similar, other sizes and configurations may have varying cables, routing channels, and connector types. Pay careful attention to the routing and connector type of the cables on the unit that you are working with. Remove the backlight cable and touch control board cable from their joint routing channel and clips on the back of the display panel. Remove the backlight cable from its routing channel and clips on the back of the display panel, lifting the LVDS cable up and out of the way of the backlight cable routing channel. Disconnect the backlight cable from its connector on the back of the display panel. Remove the backlight cable. Replacement. Reconnect the backlight cable to its connector on the back of the display panel. Route the backlight cable through its routing channel and clips on the back of the display panel. Reattaching the LVDS cable over the backlight cable routing channel. Route the backlight cable and touch control board cable through their joint routing channel and clips on the display panel.